What is up, everybody? Scott coming at you. We are out looking at another property. This one, unfortunately, is going into foreclosure. People got into it, thought about doing a remodel, so they're thinking about doing some additions to it. Of course, some of the stuff is already knocked out, and they're going to raise the roof and do all that. But one of the things that we've learned since being out here and doing some properties is that the best case scenario, the best thing for you to do is just knock these old houses down and go from scratch. So we're looking at it for that possibility of possibly scraping this lot and putting a new place in. So we're walking it right now. It's interesting. It's a pretty cool old house. It's right off of Shea, which is a little bit of a downside because there's a main road there. But other than that, I think there's some possibilities here. I'll do some more videos, see if I can splice them all in so you guys can see a little bit more about this property. And right now we are out. I got a jet flying over us. Out at another one, another pre-foreclosure. This one behind me is it's quite the compound. It's almost on 2 acres. There's just a lot of maze stuff in there, so it's like a house connected to a house with a breezeway. So I probably won't do a whole walkthrough with my camera in here, because this is, again, another one that needs to be knocked down. For example, this one's in foreclosure at $1.8 million. We would need to buy this one for 1.8, scrape it and knock it down, and build a nice new house on this compound of this lot. And so something like this would go in the high 6s to maybe even up to 8. I've seen a few go even higher than that, but I'd probably underwrite it around 6 million after you're done, just to play it safe. But again, it's a old house with tons of different little rooms and add-ons and stuff. So it's another one that we're looking at that would be a scrape. So just sharing it with you guys out and about looking at these pre-foreclosures. A lot of these guys, this is the same company, what they did is they got into this project planning on doing a remodel instead of a knockdown rebuild. And what we're finding from experience being in this area, that it's much smarter and much more wise. It's just more wise to knock it down all the way and rebuild a brand new from scratch house. The buyers in the back end want that more than a remodeled old one anyways. And that's really where the opportunity lies out here in some of these Scottsdale areas. All right, talk to you guys soon.